Hi friends, this is Dr. Diane. Today we are celebrating the birthday of William Shakespeare, who was born more than 400 years ago. One of the ways that I'm celebrating today is I've taken some of the really cool things that he wrote that we still say today and still think today, and I'm decorating my driveway with them. Come along as we figure out ways that we too can make all the world a stage. We're going to be playing today with puppets, and we're going to be playing today with acting, and we're just going to have a really good time. So grab your imaginations and come along for the ride. My canvas, and there are my chalks, and we'll check back in as I keep going. So I'm having fun using different quotes and just figuring out what colors I want to use. I've done all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players, all's well that ends well. I like nothing can come of nothing. You have to put some hard work in to get something to happen. So I'm going to try that one next. I'm going to use blue this time. Nothing. So you can draw pictures to go with them. You can write the words. Let your own imagination come free. And you can make whatever you want to make in your driveway. I can't wait to see them. Take a picture and share with us.